Altering materials in version 21. Just like in previous versions of ArtiCAD, click on Colours at the top of the ArtiCAD screen. The first time you open this menu, you will have a list of components currently in use within this design. These are shown listed on the left-hand column. The right-hand column denotes the material currently in use by the component. At the top of this menu, there is a box Only Show Materials in Use. If you untick this box, it will show all components available within this room system. Leaving it ticked, however, will filter out all the components and only show those which are currently being used within this design. Using the list on the left-hand side, select a component that you would like to change by left-clicking on it. For now, I'm going to select the wall. Once selected, if you click Change beneath the component list, it will bring up the next menu, which will list the installed libraries on this machine, along with all the available materials within the currently selected library. If you would like to minimize all submenus in order to make the library easier to view, click the Collapse All button below. For now, we will use the default materials library, which everyone will have pre-installed with the upgrade to version 21. The menu layout in the right-hand column contains all available materials within the currently selected library. These are broken down into subfolders. Each folder will open up subfolders containing materials specific to that selection. For the walls, we are going to use a paint color. Once selected, you may choose to apply a predefined finish from the Finish Variant drop-down menu. Default finish will use the material properties currently applied to that surface by the catalogue. You may choose to override this finish with one of the predefined finishes. Once you are happy with your material choice and finish variant, you can continue by clicking OK. This will bring you back to the previous menu. You can then repeat the process until the surfaces in your design have been appropriately customized to your requirements. For now, we'll close this menu by clicking OK. If you'd like to change multiple components at the same time, you can do this by holding down Control whilst left-clicking. As an alternative to clicking on Change, you can click View All Details in this dialog. Selecting this option will make this your new default, so next time you load the material editor, you will have all the details displayed in one window, and it's up to you which you prefer. From here, you can now select the library as we did before, and choose the material to apply these components as a group. This time we're going to use a wood grain. All wood grains in ArtiCAD will be produced in both horizontal and vertical directions. We are going to overwrite the selection on the horizontal running components with the horizontal wood grain. While we still have the menu, we can change the floor too. The new materials library contains hundreds of purpose-made materials, including the data required for sizing and finish properties. This means there is no need to change anything on the surface aside from selecting the materials you would like to use. To customize a material, begin by selecting all the components you wish to change, as we have done previously in this video. Only this time, before clicking OK, click Customize. From here, you may choose to select a solid block color or a texture. You may also edit the selected texture using the basic contrast, brightness, saturation, hue, and gamma controls. Once you have finished making any adjustments, you can change the name of this new material at the top of this menu. Once you click on OK, it will return you to the previous screen, where you will now see the material has been added to your custom library. It will add it to the new library under the same tree structure as it was in its previous catalogue. From here, you may choose to promote a material to the next folder up or completely bypass a folder. If you would like to delete an empty folder, you may do so by selecting it and pressing Delete. Alternatively, any empty folders within this custom tree will be deleted automatically upon closing. You can create a new material within this custom library, allowing you to produce a material from scratch. You can also produce a new group, allowing you to organize your custom materials. Once you're happy with all your materials, click OK to apply these changes. Thank you for watching this video.